Hello students, I am Mrs. Ganga Ambure from Sant Tukaram National Model School, and in this video I am going to tell you a story of the greedy king who learned an important lesson by watching the silly monkey. So let us start our story. Once upon a time there lived a king of a big and a rich kingdom. You can see the kingdom which is shown there. There lived this king. But the king, he was not happy with what he had. He wanted to have more gold and more land. He was a greedy king. The king, he was greedy. He wanted to have more gold. He wanted to have more land. And it was his greed which was not allowing him to be satisfied. And as he was greedy to get the more gold and more land, he decided to attack on another kingdom. But in his kingdom there was a wise minister. He tried to explain to the king that it was not right, it was not good to be a greedy. He said to the king that it is not good to become a greedy. We should be satisfied with what we have. He further said to the king, "My lord, a king must look after his people. There are enough riches in this kingdom. There is no need for more. The cost of the war is very high." Minister tried to explain to the king. He said that what is the duty of the king? The duty of the king is to look after his people. Our kingdom, it is very rich, it is very big. We have enough in our kingdom. There is no need for more. There is no need to attack on another kingdom because the cost of the war is very high. If we are going to attack, if we want to get the more land, we need to attack on other kingdom, and the cost of the war is very high. He said, there is a loss of life, property, peace and happiness. Please think about your decision. The king's greed didn't let him listen. What he said to the king? There is a loss of life during the war. There is a loss of peace. There is a loss of happiness. He requested to the king. He said to the king, "My lord, please think about your decision to attack on another kingdom." But the king, he was very greedy. His greed was not allowing him to listen to the minister. The king, one day, he gathered his army to attack on another kingdom. So they are going to attack on another kingdom, and while going, the king and his soldiers, they walked through the forest. The whole morning they walked through the forest, and because of that they were exhausted, they were tired. Soldiers, horses, everyone was tired, and so they decided to take a rest in the forest. Horses were given peas for eating as they were tired. As the horses were eating the peas, one of the forest monkey was watching them. He was watching to the soldiers, he was watching the horses, how the horses are eating peas. And what that monkey did? That monkey, he jumped down from the tree to get a few peas. He quickly swallowed a few peas and filled his mouth and hands with many more. You can see by the behavior, by watching the behavior of the silly monkey, what he did when he saw the peas. Not only he swallowed the peas, but he has filled his mouth with the peas. He has filled his hands with the peas. It means he is also a very greedy monkey. Then he climbed the tree and sat on a branch to eat the peas. By sitting on the branch, this monkey he is eating peas. But do you know what happens? When he was eating the peas, at that time one of the peas it fell on the ground. When one pea fell on the ground, monkey got startled and he began to run to pick up that pea. He was running to pick up that pea, and while running, he dropped more peas from his paw as he climbed down the tree. Unluckily, he didn't find that one pea. What happened? When he was running to the ground, all the peas which were there in his hand, he lost it. And for the one pea for which he was coming to the ground, unluckily he could not find that one fallen pea also. All and he climbed then he climbed to the tree again. He was very sad. He thought to himself, I dropped all the peas for that one pea. He came to the tree again. He was very sad. He was thinking why he was sad? Because he lost all his pea for getting the one pea. And now he is thinking that I dropped all the peas for the one pea. Then the monkey's behavior, all these activities of the monkey are seen by the king. He was watching all these things from the distance. And when he watched these things, when he watched the activities of the monkey, the king decided that I will not be like this monkey. The king, he thought to himself that I will not be like this monkey. I will not be like this silly monkey who lost a lot to gain a little. We have seen that the greedy monkey, the silly monkey, whose behavior was silly. Why his behavior was silly? Because he has lost a lot to get a little. So he said that I will not be like this silly monkey who has lost all the peas for getting the one pea. And in this way he learned a lesson that a person should not be greedy. And the king he decided to go back to his own country to enjoy what he had. And in this way the king and his army they returned to their country. They returned to enjoy the peace and the happiness in their land. So students, what we learn from the lesson? From this lesson we learn that we should not be greedy. We should be happy and satisfied with what we have. I hope students you have understood the lesson. Thank you and have a nice day.